Let's go. English speaking practice. Hello. What is your name? Hi, my name is Emily. Nice to meet you, Emily. Nice to meet you too, James. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. What do you do for work? I am a nurse. Do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy it. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a sister. What does your sister do? She works in marketing. That's interesting. Where are you from? I am from Houston. How old are you? I am 22 years old. Same here. I am 22 years too. Cool. We are the same age. Are you married? No, I am not married. What day is it today? It's Sunday today. Do you like Sundays? Yes, they are relaxing. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Where is the nearest cafe? It's 2 blocks away. Then thanks, I will check it out. You are welcome. What are your hobbies? I like to cook. That's nice. What do you cook? I enjoy making pasta. Would you like some tea? Yes, please. I would love some. How do you take it? With sugar, no milk. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. Where have you been recently? I went to New York. Did you like New York? Yes, it was amazing. I would love to visit someday. You should. It's great. Can I help you with anything? No, I am good, thanks. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What's your favorite topping? I like mushrooms. How was your weekend? It was a lesson. What did you do? I watch movies. What movie did you watch? I watched an action film. Did you like it? Yes, I was. Exciting. Do you often watch movies? Yes, I love movies. Do you have a favorite actor? I like Tom Hanks. He is a great actor. Yes, he is. Do you play any sports? I play tennis sometimes. Are you good at it? I am okay, still learning. I am not good at tennis. Practice makes perfect. Do you like the weather today? Yes, it's sunny and nice. Perfect day for a walk. Yes, it is. Do you like walking? Yes, it's relaxing. How often do you walk? I few times a week. Do you have a favorite park? Yes, I love Center Park. That's a beautiful park. Yes, it's peaceful. Do you read books? Yes, I enjoy reading. What's your favorite book? I like mystery novels. Do you read often? Yes, every evening. That is great habit. Thanks, I help me relax. What do you do for fun? I like going out with friends. Do you go out often? Maybe once or twice a week. Where do you usually go? We go to cafe or parks. Do you have a favorite cafe? Yes, I love Joy's Cafe. What do you order there? Usually coffee and cafe. Sound delicious? Yes, it is. You like desserts? Yes, I love sweets. What is your favorite dessert? I love chocolate cake. That's my favorite too. Chocolate is the best. Do you have any pet? Yes, I have a dog. What is your dog's name? His name is Max. How old is Max? He is 3 years old. Do you walk him daily? Yes, every morning. Dogs need lots of exercise. Yes, they do. What breed is Max? He is a golden retriever. That is lovely breed. Yes, they are so friendly. Do you have any other pets? No, just Max. I does not have any pets. Would you like one? Maybe someday. A cat. Cats are great too. Do you like cats? Yes, I do. How's the weather tomorrow? It's supposed to rain. I will bring an umbrella then. Good idea. Do you like rainy days? Yes, they are cozy. Do you stay indoors? Yes, I read or watch movies. That sounds nice. It is what about you? I play video games inside. Do you play often? Yes, when I have time. What is your favorite game? I like adventure games. That's fun. Yes, they are exciting. Do you play with friends? Sometimes, but mostly alone. Online games are popular now. Yes, they are. Do you use social media? Yes, I am on Instagram. Me too, I love Instagram. Do you post often? Yes, I post travel photos. What's your latest post? What is your latest post? I picture from New York. I will check it out later. Sure, feel free to. Do you like taking pictures? Yes, I love photography. That is great hobby. Thanks, I enjoy it. Do you use a camera or phone? I use my phone mostly. Phone cameras are so good now. Yes, they are really convenient. Do you edit your photos? Yes, just small adjustments. Editing makes them pop. Exactly. Do you like music? Yes, I love it. What's your favorite genre? What is your favorite genre? I like pop music. Pop music is catchy. Yes, it is fun to listen to. Do you go to concerts? Yes, I do sometimes. Who's your favorite artist? Taylor Swift. She is really popular. Yes, her songs are great. Do you, do you sing too? Just for one note. Seriously? Same here. Singing is a good stress reliever. Yes, it makes you feel good. Do you play any instruments? No, what I want to learn. What instrument would you play? I would love to play guitar. Guitar is a cool instrument. Yes, it is very versatile. Do you listen to music daily? Yes, especially while working. Me too. It gives me focus. Do you like coffee or tea? I prefer tea over coffee. Do you drink tea every day? Yes, I drink it daily. What's your favorite tea flavor? I love green tea. How do you make green tea? Just hot water and tea leaves. Just hot water and tea leaves. Do you add honey or sugar? Sometimes I add honey. Do you eat breakfast every morning? Yes. I never skip breakfast. What do you usually eat? What do you usually eat? I eat oatmeal or toast. Do you cook your meal? Yes, I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite meal to cook? I love making pasta. Do you follow any specific diet? I try to eat healthy. Do you work out regularly? Yes, I exercise often. What type of exercise do you do? I like running and yoga. How often do you run? I run 3 times a week. Where do you usually run? I run in the park nearby. How long do you run for? I run for about 30 minutes. I run for about 30 minutes. Do you run alone or with friends? Mostly I run alone. Do you listen to music while running? Yes, it helps me stay motivated. What kind of music do you listen to? I listen to beat songs. Do you prefer morning or evening runs? I like running in the morning. What time do you wake up? I woke up around 6 a.m. Are you an early riser? Yes, I like starting my day early. What's your morning routine like? I exercise, eat breakfast, then work. Do you work from home or the office? I work from the office. How far is your office? It's about 20 minutes away. Do you drive to work? Yes, I drive every day. Do you enjoy driving? Yes, I find it relaxing. Do you face a lot of traffic? Sometimes. What is manageable? Do you carpool with anyone? No, I usually drive alone. What kind of car do you drive? I drive a small sedan. It is fuel efficient. Yes, it's pretty economical. Do you enjoy road trips? Yes, I love long drives. Where was your last road trip? I drove to Austin last month. How was Austin? It was fun, great food and music. How long did you stay there? I stay for the weekend. Do you prefer cities or countryside? I enjoy both. What prefer cities? Why do you like cities more? I love the energy and activities. Do you visit museum or arts galleries? Yes, I enjoy exploring museums. What's your favorite museum? The Modern Art Museum in Houston. Do you like modern art? Yes, it is fascinating to me. Do you paint or draw? I draw sometimes for fun. What do you usually draw? I like draw landscape and flowers. Do you take any art classes? Not anymore, just a hobby now. Do you prefer drawing or painting? I prefer drawing, it's easier. Do you like photography? Yes, I love taking photos. Do you have a camera? I use my phone's camera. What's your favorite thing to photograph? I love capturing nature scenes. Do you edit your photos? Yes, I use some editing apps. Do you share them on social media? Yes, I post them on Instagram. How many followers do you have? I have about 500 followers. That is great. Do you post often? Yes, a few times a week. Do you follow any influencer? Yes, I follow travel bloggers. Do you travel often? Yes, I try to travel whenever possible. What's your next travel destination? I am planning to visit Chicago. Why Chicago? I want to see the architecture. Do you like visiting with cities? Yes, I love the city vibe. Do you travel for work or leisure? Mostly for leisure. How do you usually travel? I prefer flying. It's faster. I prefer flying. It's faster. Do you enjoy flying? Yes, it is exciting. For more. How do you pass time on flights? I read books or watch movies. What kinds of books do you read? I love mystery novels. Do you have a favorite author? Yes, I like Agatha Christie. Have you read all her books? Not all, but quite a few. Do you prefer physical books or ebooks? I prefer physical books. Do you what? Do you buy books or borrow them? I usually buy me books. Where do you buy your books? Mostly from online stores. Do you visit bookstores? Browsing bookshelves. Do you read before bed? Yes, it is read. Do you have any book recommendations? Do you have any book recommendations? I recommended The Murder of Roger Ackroyd. I will add that to my list. You should. It's a great read.